day all. Ira Epstein of Linn & Associates with your metal market wrap-up. And this wrap-up is for Wednesday, and we're now at the 1st of September, 2021, 5:50 p.m. Well, 4 more months to the year, and then it's all over. And then I'll be looking forward to spring, right? That's how it works. I want you to listen to the sound. I know that we've had problems this year with our sound. We bought some new software for today. It's installed. Yesterday we heard a humming, but today it should all be cleared up, I'm praying. And it should also modulate the difference between when the intro happens and when I speak, and takes care of the highs and lows. I'd like to know how that sounds to you, so it's going to be one volume. Took us a while to find the products, but we have them. So let's talk about where we're at. We're at the day before tomorrow. That's the day before the jobs data in the morning. We had the ADP data today. It was a huge miss. The market was about 60% of what the trade had been looking for. We're also seeing mixed numbers in PMIs coming out. We see China has slowed down rather dramatically everywhere. And we're seeing that certain parts of the inflation cycle are breaking. If you're watching the grain markets, they've been coming down. The other part that's going up, though, could be our gold market. Gold embedded, that is bullish situation. If it wants to move here, I would say that the market could be headed into the 1840 level. I hope it doesn't disappoint like it always does, but all the market parts are set up to make a move. On the energy markets, we had really good EIA drawdown today. However, we also saw increased supplies going to come out of OPEC+. They went today with the 400,000 barrel a day increase. They'll meet October 14th for another one of those. So just giving you all the data that you've got to be looking at. You're also in the pre-Labor Day mentality. People don't like to do a lot of crazy things right here. The American markets go into the holiday mode at the close of business Friday. They're open Monday, but not with normal trading. They close early. You don't get all the soft markets opening. The grains won't be open. So just be aware that that's all coming. So when you look at the gold on the area chart, this is why I'm saying it's right where it's got to be. Is it going to make the move and pop up and stay over the 18-day average of closes? So far it hasn't. You're right now in live quotes at 1814.40, the 18-day average 1818.40. Now let's go deeper in the chart. You've done your consolidation. See how this is all consolidating? Tight ranges right here. The trend is up with the action over the past 3 days. Higher lows, higher highs. You're in the key resistance area that I talked about, and you've been here for about a week. You got up to the 100-day and the 200, and you haven't gone anywhere, but you haven't broken either. You haven't come back to the 18-day average. If the market wants to launch, this is the time to do it. And that launch, 1839, would be the first target on the upper Bollinger Band. And you have the momentum on locked-in bullishness. What will break that is getting this red line to close under 79 and then be another disappointment. If that doesn't occur, I think you're seeing right here that the traders are looking for that springboard. Maybe it's the jobs data that can set it off or kill it. I don't know which one of the two. In the jobs data, the ranges seem to be between 400,000 and 1 million, with about 760,000 is an average median guess as to how many new jobs were created. Are you looking at the gold-silver ratio? Look at how it's coming back in, which means silver is finally gaining on the gold. We haven't seen that in a while. You have an outside day up in silver. It is overbought. It's been in an uptrend. What it should not take out over the next 2 days is the lows of today. And that low today was 2377.5. Now, how much damage would that do? Not as much as I would think. If it takes that out, the objective's the 18-day average. So it's not like there's a big downside there. But if you go up from here very much, then you could kill the possibility of getting these markets to lift. And ultimately, if you could clear all this and use this as a base ever, these are your targets back to the $26 area. In the copper market, I was looking for a failure at the 100-day average of closes. I mentioned that to you. You were overbought. You've corrected a bit, not enough yet. You're still in overbought territory, but you're holding the 18-day average. Both of these numbers in the 70s don't interest me in thinking that you're going to get fresh new buying in big galore. I just don't see it. Platinum's gone into a stall against the 100-day average. The trend is up, the bias is down, momentum has gone flat. When you look at the palladium market, if the palladium can get up and close over the 18-day average of closes, I turn bullish on it. Where's it failing? 3 days. That 18-day average. This was the contra-trend rally because the bias, which I measure as saying, where is the market in trading relation to the 18-day average? If the price is under the 18, the bias is down, trend up, they wash each other's hand. You have worked off an oversold condition. I wish I could tell you what the next step is. In the dollar, is the dollar going to challenge the lower Bollinger Band, or is it going to try to give you a pop back up a little bit here? Right now, it still looks to me on the downside, so I'm still very much in the bear camp there, looking to see what is going to be next. And again, I wrote in my newsletter, get ready for that holiday mentality setting in. Be very cautious with it. I don't expect big moves one way or the other. Now, this is a great time for you to learn our guide to technical indicators, our volumes 1 and 2. We've turned them into PDFs for you so that when you sign up on the website, we send you out an email, and that in that email, everything you need is located right in there. So how do you get this? It's simple. You're going to go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. And on the website in the bottom right's our free offers. Sign up for as many as you want there. You're also going to get a special offer for Labor Day coming tomorrow. I'll be starting to talk about that. So look for something new. It only lasts for 6 days. You might want to take advantage of it. But right now, just go to the website or call my staff to get this offering. I'm Ira. You have a good day.